Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today, September 23rd, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today. As you can see, major trading range. I like to just call these pause days, consolidation days. Really not too many trades in here today. So again, you guys use discretion and trade different strategies based on if you can adjust to that and you've done your proven backtesting methods. Or if you're not doing that and you just want to trade one system, then days like this, you can either look for 1 to 2 hours. If you don't see anything, then just come back tomorrow. Anyways, starting the pre-market session here, let's see. We had a nice move down and then recover, and then basically formed a sideways move. And this is really kind of just where it stayed for the rest of the day, is from 57.85 all the way to like 57.60. Going along here, you do have a first entry, second entry long, bad signal bar. You do get this higher low here. This one's a maybe. Let's see if there's enough room to the highs here. Yeah, this one's a maybe here. Nice higher low off this second entry long. Market opens. We get a two-legged move down. Correction, tries an attempt, and then it kind of just goes sideways here for quite some time. Drops down, failed breakout, recovers. Makes a nice double top, big outside bar, first entry, second entry long inside bar, really nothing here. Stay away from the sideways movement. 7 o'clock hits, so market makes its way up. And let's see, you do get a first entry, pulls back, second entry long here. Unfortunately, I don't think there's enough room here. There's a room for 1 point. You are looking for the break a new high, but if you can maybe get in with a limit order, maybe not the worst thing, but I just don't like the way that looks. After that, makes a lower high, sells off, makes a round 2 for another move up, and I saw this as a second measured move up, two-legged move here. Goes a little higher than it wants to, sells off, and then you get a first entry, pulls back, second entry long, failure. So you can go short one tick underneath this nice green bar right here. Not really the nicest, but has a tail on it. Sells off here. You get a lower high, and this one is pretty darn tempting to take. I think the context for this is good as well. You're getting resistance right off these multiple touches here. So it's a pretty good signal bar. Nice, simple lower high with good context. At least looking for a move back down to the swing low here. That's the type of day it is, so that's the type of day you got to adapt to. Recovers here. Nice move up. Break, new high. Double tops, sells off. Really nothing much going on here. You get a first entry, you get another first entry. Yeah, really nothing. We just test the highs here. Once again, so you have 1, 2, and 3 sells off, and the way I saw this was a nice first entry, second entry short as well. It is quite congested here, so I will mark that. Something like that. It is quite congested here, but I think getting rejected off the 21 EMA and previous day's high is good context and pretty good probability that at least it's going to go down to the most recent swing low. So nice second entry short there, and this downward khaki channel breaks. You get another first entry, pulls back, second entry short again, and you already have your nice move up. I'll mark that. Move up, break, new high. So pretty textbook second entry short there. Also see this as like a triple test, almost quadruple test right there as well. You get your move down, get a nice little wedge pattern, breaks to a new low, and that's at that swing low here. That's the way I saw it. And then with this green upward trend channel, we start making our way higher, just kind of bouncing off the lows, bouncing off the highs. You do get a first entry, second entry long here. This one's tempting, not the best signal bar or anything like that. You're riding this upward trend. And I think you could go for 4 ticks here if you wanted. You're just right into the swing high. It's quite a way away from the EMA, so I don't necessarily like that. That's why it's marked as aggressive. We just kind of, again, bouncing off the lows, bouncing off the highs of this upward trend channel. Nice signal bar here. Good one. I just see this as a double bottom right here. And continues to make its way higher. And then we pause here. We get a 1, 2, 3, and 4. and I also saw this as just a smaller, tighter trading range here. And then we finally get our breakout here a little bit later on. You get a first entry, pulls back, second entry short, failure, and then you get a first entry, second entry long. That's the way I saw this. So it would be a double high probability setup. The only reason I absolutely don't like this is because you're right into the swing highs and you don't know it's going to go up. So if you want to take on the risk, you can. It's more than likely that it will go up at least a point or two. And the other thing I didn't like was it was right into that previous day's high. So almost hesitant on even to market. I just wanted to show more of the setup in itself. And that's really, if you are going to guess for a breakout, look for at least good context on a breakout. And that pretty much leaves us to the remaining couple minutes left in the market. But as you can see, again, just hovering right near yesterday's high. I should say past Friday's high. And that's kind of just where we're at. So pretty boring day, trading range, consolidation day, pause day, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, hope you guys' trading day was well. And as always, see you guys